Everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for Bandit level 30 from the Overthewire platform and the Bandit CTF labs. So in this level, what do we need to do? So the level goal says there's a Git repository at this SSH location right here. This is very similar to the previous levels. We're still talking about Git, and let's talk about what we're going to be doing in this level. Actually, before we do that, let's go over to our login here, and let's make a directory and clone the repository first. So we're going to make a directory in the temp directory. It's going to be called the Bandit 30 Git, and let's put some dots in front of that. So we're going to do 4 dots, temp bandit 30-git. We're going to move into that directory, bandit 30-git. Okay, and from here, now we can clone the repository. So to clone the repository, we're going to use this command over here. So it's the git clone command, and this is how we're going to be able to clone the repository. Paste in the command. We need to log in as the Bandit 30 user, which uses the same password. So we just need to get the password and then paste it in. The remote end hung up unexpectedly. That's weird. Let's try that one more time. We're having trouble cloning the repository. Let's do it one more time. Okay, repo already exists and is not an empty directory. Oh, we managed to clone the repo, but I guess, 1000 agency, 1001 agencies. It's the terminal you're using right now. It's an online live version of Linux. Yeah, so this is, let me copy this. So this is a web accessible version of Linux. So if you ever wanted to practice with Linux, you can always use a machine like this. And I'm just demonstrating using it on this terminal here because, well, everybody has access to it, and that makes, well, that's the maximum amount of people who could potentially do some learning. Okay, let's move into the repo directory, and we got the README file here. So if we take a look at the README file, it says just an empty file. Mwahaha. Okay, so, well, if we use the stuff we learned at the previous from the previous level, we see that we can see the branches. So we're using the master branch right now. We're going to take a look at the other branches here. We've got master, we've got origin head, and we got remote. What's going on? Broadcast message. Hey, HackerFrogs, welcome to Bandit 30. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. X metrics out. Wow. Thank you very much, X metric, for sharing that wonderful message. Thank you. Anyways, you'll probably make it into the YouTube video. Thank you very much, X metrics. I'm currently SSH'd in. Anyways, let's clear. What are we dealing with in this level? Let's talk a little bit more about this. And this level in Bandit covers Git software features. So Git is a distributed version control system that tracks versions of files. It is used by programmers to help develop software collaboratively. So we're talking about Git tags in this level. We're learning about Git tags, which are a way of attaching labels to commits. To list all tags in the repo, use the git tags command. So, for example, we get all the Git tags in this level. We see that there's a secret tag. Okay, this time I think it works. We move into the repo directory, and then we do git tag get tag. Okay, so it works this time. Okay, so we see that there's this secret tag in here. So what can we do about the secret tag? So to list all the tags in the repo, we use the get tags command, and we did that, and we got the secret one here. So to see all of the commits with the tags attached to them, you can use the git showref tags command, and that's going to show you all the commits with that particular tag. So yeah, with it'll show you all the commits with tags attached to them. So it's git showref tags. So we see here that there's one commit here that has the secret tag in this case. And then we can access this with, what's the command again? So finally, you can retrieve all the contents of all the commits that contain specific tags by using the git show tag name command. So in case you want to see all the commits with the secret tag, you do git show secret. Hold on, here. Git show secret. And this is the password for the next level. What did we learn in this level? So in this level, what we need to do is we need to find out about the tags inside the level and then enumerate the commits with those tags, and then we solve the level. Okay, so this was a guided walkthrough for Bandit level number 30 from the Bandit Labs over at overthewire.org. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.